So hi friends, so one of the questions is swipe the first and last item in the list. So what is the question? So this is the one list. In that list they want swipe the number 65 into 4 and 4 into 65. So output should be look like this one. Okay, so we'll debug it and we'll see how it is happening. Okay, yeah, so I've started debugging. Okay, so it's calculating length minus 1, and then go to next step. Next step it's 0 position. What is that? 4. It will take the 4 and taking the length of the ln 465. Okay, and then it will put into template 4. Temp means temporary. Okay, temporary variable I have taken temp, that is send 4 and return the list. So if you let us see the list, we get the 65, 3, 25, 33 and 4. So this is the method you can replace the item replace the item from first and last. These questions multiple times I seen in interview. Yeah, okay, suppose I will enter some different 89. Now I want to replace 89 into 4. So we'll see how it is happening. So 89 is replaced with 4. Okay. 1 replaced with 4. Okay. So okay, watch and again. Thank you for watching. Hey, one more thing. So you are thinking that how it is happening, it's okay, but you see here temp variable I have taken. So what I did first, I have list of 0 index. I put in the temporary variable. Okay, temp, and then what I did, I put the list of the 0 what len of the last item, len of the item. What is the item? Len 4 or 5, whatever it is, it will come here and it will go to the 0. Then again what I did, whatever item at this one, I send the in temporary. So it's running like that. Okay, and you will get the answer. Thank you for watching.